What's up, guys? This is my first video. I'm just doing this just to, say hey. This is an introduction to a new beginning. I've had a YouTube account for a really long time, since like 2007, but I've never made any videos. I've been watching, and then lately I've gotten inspired to make my own videos, stop being a follower, maybe be a leader. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just hanging out outside in the heat, sweltering heat of New York. No, it's not that hot, but whatever. So yeah, that's it. If you like it, comment, rate it in the box over there. No, down there. Yeah, I've always wanted to do that. Down there. And yeah, maybe I'll make some more. Okay? Bye.